I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm going bananas with banana split truffles. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. August 25th is National Banana Split Day, and I couldn't think of a better way to celebrate than by making some banana split truffles. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own banana split truffles, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 1/3 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 of a large and very ripe banana, 3 cups of white chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon of banana extract, 3 cups of white chocolate, 2 cups of dark chocolate, some sprinkles, and some red M&Ms. I'm also using some bowls, a saucepan, a spatula, a scoop, some precision dipping tools, and a cool pouring spoon that was a Father's Day gift from my son Gibby. Okay, let's make some candy. Cut the M&Ms in half. A sharp knife will do the trick, but you can also use a thoroughly cleaned pill cutter if you'd like. Mash the banana. Microwave the white chocolate chips for about 30 seconds. Add the white chocolate chips to the mashed banana, stirring until well combined. In a small saucepan over medium heat, add the cream and heat it just until it starts to simmer. Pour the hot cream over the white chocolate and banana mixture and mix until it's smooth. If the chips don't melt completely, you can put the mixture back in the microwave for a bit. Mix in the banana extract. Put the mixture in the freezer for about an hour or until it's firm. Scoop some ganache and roll it into a ball. This batch was still a little sticky, so I rolled it in some powdered sugar to make it easier to work with. Repeat with the remaining ganache and place the balls back in the freezer. Melt or temper the white chocolate. Remove a few of the ganache balls from the freezer and dip one into the white chocolate. Allow it to drain, then place it on a lined baking sheet. Repeat with the remaining ganache. Melt or temper the dark chocolate. Pour a small amount of chocolate on top of a truffle. Add some sprinkles. And the cherry on top is the M&M half. Repeat with the remaining truffles and leave them on the counter to set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte Whoa, this is way better than I expected. The shell is crisp, the filling is creamy, and the sprinkles give it a nice little crunch. It's very sweet, which is no surprise, but the ganache tastes exactly like Nilla wafer banana pudding, which I absolutely adore. If you're looking for a great way to celebrate National Banana Split Day, or really any day that ends with a Y, you really ought to try these. Here's a fun fact. On March 25th, 2017, the town of Innisfail, Australia broke a Guinness World Record that had stood for 29 years by creating the world's longest banana split. Hundreds of volunteers spent over 12 hours assembling it, and it contained 40,000 bananas, over 600 gallons of ice cream, over 500 gallons of toppings, and was 5 miles long. I wonder how many calories were in that thing. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you join me next time.